In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get direct deposit payment from Bill.com. If you're working with vendors or contractors and you want to pay them quickly and securely without mailing checks, using direct deposit through Bill.com is a great option. I'll walk you through the full process from adding your vendor to collecting their bank details to actually sending a payment using ACH, which is the type of transfer that works like direct deposit. First, you'll need to add your vendor inside Bill.com. From your main dashboard, go to the Vendors section. This is where Bill.com stores all the people and businesses you pay. Instead of manually entering everything from scratch, start by searching the Bill.com network to see if your vendor is already in the system. Many companies are, and if they are, you can simply connect to their existing profile, which saves time and helps avoid typos. If your vendor doesn't appear in the search, you can send them an invite through Bill.com. This invitation allows them to create or link their account and securely enter their own information. It's safer and more accurate to let them provide their details directly instead of you guessing or copying from an old invoice. Once your vendor has been added, the next step is to make sure they connect their bank account. This part is essential because without their bank information, you won't be able to send an electronic payment. Bill.com will prompt the vendor to log in and enter their routing and account number or connect via their bank's secure login. As a payer, you don't see their full bank login details. You just see that their bank account is active and ready to receive ACH payments. If your vendor is unsure what to do, simply remind them to complete their bank setup in Bill.com or resend the invite so they can follow the link again. After their bank account is connected and verified, you're ready to pay them by direct deposit. When you go to pay an invoice in Bill.com, choose that vendor and review the invoice details as usual. On the payment method screen, select the ACH option. In Bill.com, ACH is the electronic transfer method that works just like a direct deposit, sending money straight from your bank to your vendor's bank. Confirm the payment date, double-check the amount, and then submit the payment. Once that's done, Bill.com will process the ACH transfer, and your vendor will receive the funds directly in their bank account without needing to deposit a check or wait on the mail.